Regular Panama gun, you gotta pump them up. Drop the paint. And over here we got Mr. Chris.
Hello, sir.
He wanted to be a smarty pants, so he's got
efficient forestry.
High capacity assault Panama gun. Don't let Kathy Hochul see that. Day marking timber. It's counterintuitive. You would think, oh, cut the big ones to let the little ones grow, but that's actually really silviculturally the worst thing you can do for a forest. When you're managing for the long-term sustainable harvest of quality saw timber, ideally you want to tend to the stand, you know, cut out your junkiest trees, let your best ones continue to grow, and then eventually, as you keep thinning it out, you end up with very few, very high quality trees producing a lot of seed, and then eventually you'd remove the entire overstory in that case, and it's not high grading then, because you have hopefully an entire sea of good quality, desirable regeneration coming in. From your most dominant trees, which you left to continue to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. Alright, so I gotta figure out where the heck I am. Panama paint gun. Thing's essentially a super soaker. A couple different ways you can mark timber with the paint gun. They make spray cans. They have these little quart guns that use hand power. You know, it has a plunger inside of it, and the force of you squeezing that trigger squirts paint on a tree. Or these Panamas are nice because it's kind of like a flamethrower, kind of like a super soaker. You dump a whole gallon of paint in the back of it. It's a tank that goes on your back, and you pump it up, you know, between 50 and 100 times, and they're heavy and bulky, but you know, the way I see it, if you're going to carry a gallon of paint on you anyways, you might as well have it in a nice backpack with a nice pressurized gun that you don't need to be right next to the tree to use, like a spray can. Downsides are that the Panamas, they're kind of finicky. You gotta, I wouldn't say finicky, but there's parts you need to replace on them periodically, and they're expensive up front. It's a $400 paint gun. Let's see, so laying out boundary for timber harvest. Mass Turnpike right over there. Already flagged this line, but going old school. If you want to be real pro in the woods, get yourself one of these page protectors, get some tape, seals it up in the rain. Do a lot of boundary work in the rain. So got our survey evidence over here. Just about there. Went this way, things got a little screwed up there, going all the way around. So ended yesterday there. Alrighty, where we left off. Single ribbons just mark the line. Double marks a turn. Depending on how well a lot's laid out, you might be able to just find evidence at every turn. Maybe you can just go in kind of quick, use your paces, look at the map, everything's all good. This lot's a little, actually not a little, very screwed up. Yeah, everything's getting based off of that marker all the way up there. And that's all right. We can get close enough for forestry work with hip chain. Pretty much what this is you tie a string to a tree or wherever. It keeps track of how far you go, so you can get pretty much spot on. Okay, so we got that set. 150. Okay. It's in bearing. Surveyors use bearing because your foresight and your back sight should be the same measurement. And this is a bearing compass because I got too tired of using an azimuth compass and doing the math. Okay, so take your sight, boom. Make sure we're online. Let's see, gotta go. Beautiful. And beautiful. Oh, now I'm in Rhode Island. Oh, now I'm in Connecticut. Oh, I'm in Mass. Fruitful.